Hello everybody and welcome back for another tutorial. In this episode I'm going to teach you 3 of my favourite ways to improve your YouTube videos absolutely free. Now the first step in any video should always be making sure you have the best lighting possible. So go into the brightest room in your house, turn on all the lights, and make sure to sit near a window like I am right now to get all that beautiful soft daylight. Okay, now my second tip is going to be all about audio. So we've all tried recording straight out with our camera, straight out with our phone, and had some fairly average results. So what you need to do is grab the headset that came with your phone with a little microphone on it. Now go ahead, plug that into your phone and start up whatever the standard voice recording app is on your phone. So what we're going to do is record your voice using the microphone connected to your phone. Then you're going to put that on your computer and synchronize that with the video in post. The best way to do that is just quick little clap. You'll see that big spike and then you'll be able to line them up really easily. Now, the best way to do this, if you don't necessarily want the microphone or headphones or anything sitting in the shot like this, is you can actually get the microphone, put it underneath your shirt and just tape it on there. So I've actually got one of those set up right now, taped to my shirt, sitting like that, but I've got a dozen or so of these sitting around. So now for the third and final part of this tutorial. What you're going to do is whenever you've finished editing your video, you've got all the audio perfect, all the lighting's fantastic, your footage is all in there, you've done all your effects and your transitions and your B-roll and everything else. What you're going to do is, instead of exporting it 1080p, even if you record it in 1080p, you're going to export it in 4K. Now, you might wonder why doing that if you've already recorded everything in 1080p. It's not really going to make anything better. Well, the main reason is when you upload something to YouTube, it actually heavily compresses that footage down anyway. Now, if you upload a stream to YouTube in 4K, that's going to compress it significantly less and you're going to be able to replay it at a much higher bitrate, meaning your footage will look much closer to what you actually shot than it does if you upload it in 1080p. Alrighty, thanks for watching my tutorial. I hope that improves your videos dramatically and I hope you learned a thing or two. Make sure to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe. If you've got any questions or any particular videos you'd like me to do next time, make sure to leave a comment as well. And if you'd like to see what gear I'm using or recommend, feel free to check out the affiliate links in the description below. See ya!